Hello everyone, this is an unusual video because I'm actually doing it into my new Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara 2018. This is the new platform which is very good on gas. Okay, I'm below with 3,000 kilometers that I did with it. The average consumption, fuel consumption, is actually under 10 liter per 100 kilometers. This is very good for this size of truck. I have 32-inch tires. This is replacing my old SUV, which is 10 years old, and I'm very impressed. It is actually better on gas. Remember last year I changed my old car for an electric plug-in hybrid Sonata, and you can watch my video if you like, it's in there. And so I'm concerned about the environment, but you know, a truck is very useful when you pull a trailer and stuff like that, and I wanted to have a Jeep because it's just so cool. Okay. Unfortunately the soft top was back order, but we'll order it later on. But I really like this Jeep, and you know, you're probably wondering what's the relation with AM radio. Well, actually this is about one of the only vehicle where you can install antenna and it will still look good or look even better. People that have actually a Jeep usually install CB antenna, and some of them upgrade to AM radio, which is great. But you know, this is a cool vehicle to install radios in it. So if you have any idea, if you have a Jeep, if you have some pictures, you know, that will be great. Put it in the comments below, let me know, and I will show you in the next few moments my Jeep, and I'll do a go around with the camera so you will see it is red. It is called firecracker red. It's actually my color that I wanted. My wife preferred gray, but my two sons and I vote for the red, so we got the red, and that is pretty cool. And let me know what you think in the comments below. Give me some idea, and if you are a company, you can sponsor this Jeep. That will be cool too. So I would like to have at least APRS and a dual band radio, at least, you know, one digital mode, maybe DMR, D-Star, something like that. For HF we'll see, but I don't plan to do any HF in the truck for now. So see you some other time. Please subscribe to be notified first for my next video when I put it online. Thanks for watching. 73.